coconut oil has unique properties that make it well suited for a ketogenic diet. To begin with, it contains medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs. Unlike long-chain fats, MCTs are taken up directly by the liver and converted into ketones or used as a rapid source of energy. In fact, coconut oil has been used to increase ketone levels in people with Alzheimer's disease and other disorders of the brain and nervous system. 38 Trusted source. The main fatty acid in coconut oil is lauric acid, a slightly longer chain fat. It has been suggested that coconut oil's mix of MCTs and lauric acid may promote a sustained level of ketosis. 39 Trusted source. 40 Trusted source. What's more, coconut oil may help obese adults lose weight and belly fat. In one study, men who ate 2 tablespoons, 30 milliliters, of coconut oil per day lost 1 inch, 2.5 centimeters, on average, from their waistlines without making any other dietary changes. 41 Trusted source. 42 Trusted source. For more information about how to add coconut oil to your diet, read this article. You can also shop online for coconut oil. Summary: coconut oil is rich in MCTs, which can increase ketone production. In addition, it may increase metabolic rate and promote the loss of weight and belly fat. 8. Plain Greek yogurt and cottage cheese. Plain Greek yogurt and cottage cheese are healthy, high-protein foods. While they contain some carbs, they can still be included in a ketogenic lifestyle. 5 ounces 150 grams of plain Greek yogurt provides 5 grams of carbs and 11 grams of protein. That amount of cottage cheese provides 5 grams of carbs and 18 grams of protein. 44. Both yogurt and cottage cheese have been shown to help decrease appetite and promote feelings of fullness. 45 Trusted source. 46 Trusted source. Either one makes a tasty snack on its own. However, both can also be combined with chopped nuts, cinnamon and optional sugar-free sweetener for a quick and easy keto treat. Summary: both plain Greek yogurt and cottage cheese contain 5 grams of carbs per serving. Studies have shown that they help reduce appetite and promote fullness. 9. Olive oil. Olive oil provides impressive benefits for your heart. It's high in oleic acid, a monounsaturated fat that has been found to decrease heart disease risk factors in many studies. 47 Trusted source. 48 Trusted source. In addition, extra virgin olive oil is high in antioxidants known as phenols. These compounds further protect heart health by decreasing inflammation and improving artery function. 49 Trusted source. 50 Trusted source. As a pure fat source, olive oil contains no carbs. It's an ideal base for salad dressings and healthy mayonnaise. Because it isn't as stable as saturated fats at high temperatures, it's best to use olive oil for low-heat cooking or add it to foods after they have been cooked. You can find olive oil online. Summary: extra virgin olive oil is high in heart-healthy monounsaturated fats and antioxidants. It's ideal for salad dressings, mayonnaise and adding to cooked foods. 10. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are healthy, high-fat and low-carb foods. Frequent nut consumption has been linked to a reduced risk of heart disease, certain cancers, depression and other chronic diseases. 51 Trusted source. 52 Trusted source. Furthermore, nuts and seeds are high in fiber, which can help you feel full and absorb fewer calories overall. 53. Although all nuts and seeds are low in net carbs, the amount varies quite a bit among the different types. Here are the carb counts for 1 ounce 28 grams of some popular nuts and seeds.